Firewall. What is a firewall? A program that prevents unauthorized access to or from a private network. A firewall can thought of a brick wall, which is acutely a wall of code, between your computer and the internet. This wall inspects each individual packet of data as it either goes to your computer or data that leaves your computer. What firewalls do: defend resources, validate access, manage and control network traffic, record and report on events, act as an intermediary. Why have a firewall? Connecting to the internet with high-speed internet has the following downsides. A constant IP, make it easy for an intruder who has discovered your computer on the internet to find you again and again. High-speed access, means that the intruder can work much faster when trying to break into your computer. Always active connection, means that your computer is vulnerable every time when it is connected to the internet. What are the types of firewalls? Packet filters. Packet filter firewall controls the network access by analyzing the outgoing and incoming packets. Better for more complicated networks but are not fully secured. Stateful inspection. Stateful packet inspection, SPI, which is also sometimes called dynamic packet filtering, is a powerful firewall architecture which examines traffic streams from end to end. This firewall analyzes the packet headers and inspecting the state of the packets along with providing proxy services. Proxy server firewalls, also called the application level gateways. Proxy server firewalls are the most secure type of firewalls that effectively protect the network resources by filtering messages at the application layer. Firewall configuration. You can add layers of protection based on your condition. IP addresses. Each machine connected to the internet has an IP, Internet Protocol, address which are 32-bit numbers. Domain name, human readable of IP address. Protocols, describe how the client and the server will connect. Basic protocols for firewalls. Protocols. IP, Internet Protocol, the main delivery system for information over the internet. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, used to break apart and rebuild information that travels over the internet. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, used for web pages. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, used to download and upload files. UDP, User Datagram Protocol, used for information that requires no response, such as streaming audio and video. ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, used by router to exchange the information with other routers. SMTP, Simple Mail Transport Protocol, used to send text-based information, email. SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, used to collect system information from the remote computer. Telnet, used to perform commands on the remote computer. Firewall configurations. Ports, a machine has number ports which are available for the service of the internet. Word or phrases, the firewall will search for that packet of information and will block it. Why use firewalls? Remote login, when someone is able to connect to your computer and control it in some form. Application backdoors, programs could allow for remote access. SMTP session hijacking. SMTP is the most common method of sending emails over the internet. Operating system bugs. Some operating systems have backdoors. Denial of service. A hacker sends a request to the server to connect to it. When the server responds with an acknowledgement and tries to establish a session, it cannot find the system that made the request. By inundating a server with these unanswerable session requests, a hacker causes the server to slow to a crawl or eventually crash. Why use firewalls? Page 2. Email bombs. Someone keeps sending you emails so your system won't accept anymore. Macros. Applications allow you to create script of commands that can be run, which is known as macro. Hackers can create their own macro that could crash your computer. Viruses, a small program that can copy itself to other computers. Spam, not harmless but junk mail could have a link that may be accidentally accepted, a cookie that provides a backdoor to your computer. Redirecting bombs, hackers can use ICMP to change, redirect, The path information takes by sending it to a different router. Source routing, the path a packet travels over the internet is determined by the routers. Hackers sometimes take advantage of this to make information appear to come from a trusted source or even from inside the network. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.